If you're watching this video, chances are you may have found yourself wondering about the cost of IVF in Kenya. Is it affordable? What does it cover? Are there different packages? You're not alone. As more and more people explore options for starting their families, questions about fertility treatments and their associated costs are natural and important. Over the past 2 decades, fertility care in Kenya has moved from a service for the wealthy elite to a more accessible option for middle-income families. Today, Kenya is known for providing high-quality fertility care at a fraction of the cost charged in Europe or the United States. Among the most affordable centers is the Nairobi IVF Center, which is known for its transparency in pricing and reputation for delivering results. As of 2025, a standard IVF cycle using your own eggs at this center costs around $4,000, which is approximately 600,000 Kenyan shillings. If you require additional procedures, such as assisted hatching, testicular sperm extraction, or frozen embryo transfers, these are billed separately, with prices ranging from $135 to $1,000. Intrauterine insemination, which is a less invasive and more affordable fertility option, costs between $335 and $535, depending on whether partner or donor sperm is used. The Harley Street Fertility Center in Nairobi is another widely respected facility offering a broader range of fertility solutions. Here, the first IVF cycle typically costs around $4,640, with slightly reduced rates for subsequent cycles. If a patient requires donor eggs or donor sperm, the total treatment package ranges between $4,700 and $5,400. Though slightly more expensive than other clinics, Harley Street offers premium services and a personalized care model. In Mombasa, the Fertility Center Kenya is among the most affordable coastal options. Here, a complete IVF cycle starts at approximately $3,000 to $3,500, making it one of the lowest cost options for patients who prefer to receive care outside of Nairobi. Treatments involving donor eggs or donor sperm range between $4,000 and $5,500. And the facility has received praise for its culturally sensitive care and high patient satisfaction. Across Nairobi, many clinics offer IVF and IUI packages that fall within an average price range of $3,500 to $5,500. A typical frozen embryo transfer, often needed in follow-up treatments, costs anywhere between $700